Hello, this is the latest project I have worked on, which is called TravelScope, which is an AI-based travel recommendation website using React and backend Fast API. So here is a simple workflow of my current website, which is first user lands into the home page, then enter the budget and location. So after user fill their budget, a weather API will fetch the weather details according to the location. Then it will be displayed in weather section. While if a user enter his destination, his location, uh, and enter the budget according to his budget and location, based on the Gemini API will help to find out the locations in which the user can travel within the budget. I used an agentic approach using Groovy to get this functionality. Yeah, this is the hosted page of my TravelScope application, which is done in React, as I mentioned earlier. I hosted it using Vercel, and backend is hosted using Render. So here is a business program. So if we consider in the modern travel landscape, the users often struggle to find the destination that fit their budget and the current location without jumping between the multiple platforms for price comparisons, then their transportation info, their destinations. So I tackled all of these by this project. Uh, so initially, I understand some requirements. First one is the user journey, mapping to identify the pain points in the travel planning. So then I interviewed with my friends and done certain surveys with frequent travelers to get their feedbacks by building this project. Then create a user story for this one. So I will show you how my application got work. So initially here is a detect symbol. So if I click it, it automatically fetch the location in which you are present. If it is not detected, you can enter it manually. Then simply you can enter your budget. In I will enter here 500 and convert it into INR. We can choose different types of currency here. Then click find a destination. So it will automatically convert our budget from INR to USD for better searching result. So currently in backend, my agent is searching all over the internet for the best travel approach. Here there are other options called weather. If I move here, I can see the current weather of the present location. Then I also have different features like themes changing, then language changing. If I can click those languages, it will change according to the particular language which is selected. Hindi and Tamil. These are the four languages I defined here. So we can go back to English, and different themes are available. This is the dark theme. So my Gemini API fetch different location which I can go within this much amount. So we can select one. The second agent is fetching the estimated expenses and other details. So here you can see the budget, then top attractions. Then it will also create a trip plan here. Like is much better. If I click another one, it will create a trip plan for to there. So here I get location, then travel, accommodations, transportation costs, then top attractions of that place, extracts. If I go to weather, here I get the particular weather of that place. Here I get the 24-hour temperature forecast from particular location, then 5-day forecast, then the humidity histogram and a weather tip throughout the day. So this is the main application I have built, which is called Travelscope for the weekend travelers. If I go to the solution architecture, the front end is hosted in Vercel, which is basically created using React, then Tailwind CSS and React for it. While backend is hosted in Render, and which is mainly built up of Fast API, then Gemini API, and also True AI for agentic approach. The in Gemini API, I used one-shot prompting technique to get a better results. Then there is a currency converter for frequent currency conversion. So I probably use Gemini API because it leverages context-aware, prompt-friendly models to generate travel recommendations dynamically. So in the implementation and iteration session, uh, I faced some initial challenges, which is the latency in API response. Although I used an agentic approach, if my API code hits backend, it will took some time for the response, creation of response, because it is hosted on the free version of Render. That's the main reason. Then ensuring recommendation match actually in the budget constraint. Then some improvements are done after creating of the initial prototype, which is I refine Gemini points for better result. Then API response optimization. I'm going with that for better websites. Then I done some tests like Postman testing and manual testing for the further things. So thank you.